All right, today I'm going to review this Lamy. I apologize, I'm not sure how it's pronounced. Fountain pen. It has you can replace the ink in it. It originally came with blue ink. We now have black ink in it because we've had it for so long. But I kind of wanted to review it after having used it for several months. This is actually my husband's pen. He has really gotten into using fountain pens. Um, they say find a pen that makes you happy to write. And I got him into journaling, and he's continued to journal because he found a pen that he likes. He likes using fountain pens. This is a fine tip. So we're going to show you a little bit how it writes, and the ink flows really nicely. So let's take a look at the about how it writes and how smoothly it writes. Again, this is kind of a beginner's type of pen, although it's a step up from those disposable ones. I don't understand the concept of disposable fountain pens, but so again, this is the fine tip. It flows really nicely. I have terrible handwriting, so I'm just going to do squiggles. But yeah, it flows really nicely. This is the fine tip. You can do ink cartridges. I think it's the L12F. Or that's the model number of this one, the L12F, because it is the fine tip. You can, like I said, you can swap colors because this came with blue. We now have black in it. Because it's clear, it's kind of fun because you get to see how much ink you have left. You get to see the components inside. So that's made it really fun. And yeah, so if you're looking for some like a beginner type pen for someone that's like thinks through, they want to get into using a fountain pen, but they don't want to have to use like the ink bottles. They want to use maybe a cartridge or something, or they want to just start with a pen that already has ink in it. This might be the perfect way to start. Again, came with blue ink. Hope this helps.